my loving children. Once again, I am here. So, today we will talk about some shape. You want to learn about the shape? Okay, as we already completed our circle shape, now here I have a new shape for you. You want to know which shape is this? Okay, I will tell you few lines about this. Just guess it. What is this? I have 4 sides. I have 4 lines. Do you know my name? I have 4 corners. I have 4 sides. I have 4 lines. Do you know my name? I have 4 corners. Yes, it is square shape. So today we will learn about square shape. I will show you few objects related to square shape. This is book. When we open our book, we will get square shape. This is a gift. Yes, I know everyone likes gift. This is in square shape. This is cafe. It is also in square shape. This is button. Yes, I know you all have rounded button on your shirt, but this is square button. This is frame. We can keep our photo in the frame. This is a wooden piece. This is also in a square shape. This is window. Yes, we can look out from the window. This is in a square shape. Again, I have a book. It is in a square shape. Oh wow, it is aquarium. So many fishes are there. See, this aquarium is also in square shape. Now this is briefcase. Whenever your papa or mama wants to go to office, they have to carry their office briefcase. Yes? So this briefcase is also in a square shape. Now we have our activity for the notebook. We will complete this activity with small squares. We will paste small square in this big square, and then we will get a indoor game. Okay, after this activity you can guess which indoor game we get. Okay, so we will start. I have black and white color squares, so we will paste one by one and we will complete this whole page. Black square, white square. Again black, white, black, white, black, white. Again we will repeat, but this time we will paste our white square first, downside of black square, and downside of white square we will paste our black square. Okay, white, black, white, black, white, black, and same way we will continue our squares and we will complete our page. So children, Now will you guess which game we got? Yes, this is our chessboard. Very good. And same way, we will complete our spiral book activity also. So children, after completing our notebook, we will do the activity in our spiral book. Here we have a big square, so we will do cotton dabbing in this. You all are ready with your cotton? Yes? So let's start. I am doing it. You also complete. Come on, fast! Yay! Yes. I am trying to make square with it. Yes. Come on, see, my border is going to complete now. And I'm going upside. Yes. Now I will do cotton dabbing inside. Here and there. I'm doing dabbing. Yes. This is square shape. It has 4 sides. This is square shape. It has 4 lines. This is square shape. It has 4 corners. And do you know, these all sides are equal. That's why it is square shape. Yes. This is square shape. It has 4 sides. This is square shape. Square. This is square shape. Yes, come on children, do it fast. See, my dabbing is going to complete now. It's complete. Okay, now downside we have 2 things. One is handkerchief and the other one is window. So in this we will do coloring. And for coloring I will take my red color for handkerchief. So for it I will make the border. Yes. Now slipping line and I'm going up, up, up. Yay! Now I will fill color inside, up and down formation. This is my square handkerchief. Do you have your handkerchief? Just check. Is that square or circle? Yes, you all have your square handkerchief, hai na? Yes, we should always keep our handkerchief with us. Okay, now this coloring is going to complete. It's done. Now in the window, I will choose my color, yellow color. And I am going to start my coloring. Come on children, do it fast. Yes, I am making the border first. Then I am going down. Then I am moving my left side. Oh, and I am going up, up, up. And now I will fill my color inside. Up and down, up and down. I am completing the coloring up and down. Yay, I am completing the coloring. This is my window. This is in square shape. Yes. see. My work is going to complete now. Your work is complete? Come on, who will come first? I think I will come first. Okay, and my coloring is finished. So children, with this we learnt about square shape. Thank you children. Bye bye. Be safe at your home.